Hi friends, welcome back to our backend application using the Node and expressjs for CRUD operation implementation or development. Last few classes we have completed the project structure for the Node application and database connection, and we have done the some asynchronous operations like asynchronous files like a API error and response API response and asynchronous handle the asynchronous functionalities. In this session, we are going to write one small API called HealthCheck API. Using that, how to like whether the application is running the smoothly or whether the application health is good or not. We are going to check using the HealthCheck API. Like in the while creating the project structure only, I have created the like controllers for the HealthCheck controller and HealthCheck route. In this, we are going to implement these two things. Before implementing these two things, we are going to write some of the middlewares like common middlewares. Like first, I am going to install that middleware. First, go to the package.json. Whether the libraries are there or not, we are going to check. We are going to write that library is uh, npm install course library. If you want to see this, what is the course library, you can go to the Chrome web browser and you can check the npm js.org. In this, you can check the course. Course means it is a one type of middleware. It will going to allow the front end application going to talk to the whether the our web application. It will going to like it is well middleware between the front end and back end application. Installation is completed. If you see in the dependencies also, the course is installed. If you go to the app.js, first import the course. Import course from import the course from course. If you don't know that this how to use this course, you can refer the here also. First import the course from the course, and then you can use like this. App.use course. In this, we are going to write some of the things like if you go to some more extend like origin and this one origin, we are going to take origin. We are going to take the process.env dot um, origin course or course or underscore origin. We are going to take from the environmental variable. Like if you copy this name and go to the .env. Here you can take the star. Star means you can allow the all the IPs. Can allow the any IP address. It is also star. Star means you can allow the any from anywhere that we can connect with this backend application. Next one is a credential. Credential I'm going to defaultly making the true. If you want to see this, you can refer this documentation of the this course. It is a Node.js package for providing the connect/express middleware that can be used to enable the course with various options. Next one, I'm going to take the some common libraries, so common middlewares like that is a called app.use express.json express.json. Another one is app.use express dot express.url express dot URL encoded. In this, we are going to take extended column not equal to column true. Next one, whether this app.use express.static. Like if you want to store the some static files like CSS files or HTML files like JavaScript, this one only. If you want to store that, you can use the some public folder or a public folder you can mention here. Next, there is a health check router. We are going to see the how to implement the health check. Go to first here health check import uh, import the asynchronous. We are going to handle using the asynchronous functionality. Asynchronous handler, why it is not here? Handler dot slash utils. Where is the utils folder? Utils slash asynchronous dot js. Don't forget to mention the .js extension. And next one is API response. API response from dot slash utils slash API response semicolon. Next, we are going to write the health check equal to asynchronous handle of request comma response. This is a functionality we are writing. In this, we are going to write return response dot status code. We are going to write response dot status code as a status, not status code, status 200 .json. In this, we are going to send the few things like what is that? Few things like we are going to actually call the API response. We are going to call this API response. API response, what we have to send. If you want to see that, you can go to the utils API response.json. We are going to send three things, like here is a status code, data, message. Here these things we are going to send. Go to the here my new API response. This is a class. That's why we are going to use like new API response. First one is 200 is the my status code. Next one is a data. Data is my OK, or you can make it the success message also, success, but I'm going to leave it a OK. And next one is a message. Message is server running or successfully running. Export this. Named export I'm doing health check semicolon. Come to the, it is completed. Okay, you can make it as a cancel and go to the my routes here. Come to here and here import. Here no need to import express. We are directly importing the router from the express. How to use this router? Like router will use the, this also we are going to call like a function, and it will gives the some response. It will return something that is a called router. We are naming as a router. Using this router, we are going to create the routes, like router dot route of slash router dot route dot slash router dot route of, inside this we are going to perform the my like my endpoint, or you can take the slash as a my endpoint, default endpoint. And here I'm taking the get method. It is a method. In this method we are going to pass the this which one, this health check controller dot this function we are going to pass. If you want to pass, import health check from dot slash controller slash health check dot controller dot js. Pass that health check into here and export this. Don't forget exporting. Export that default router. Export this as a default router. Come to my application, my app.js. Come to my app.js. You can to my app.js. Here imports here, import my health router, health check router from dot slash dot slash routes slash health check dot routes dot js. Health check router from the dot slash route slash health check dot routes. Then here you can perform the routes. Here you can take the routes how to use that route means here you can use like a app.use, call that router app.use slash API slash v1, or you can take the defaultly like this also, uh, default like this also. I'm I'm taking that health check router, or you can take n number of routers like this. If you take slash health check or slash text or like, I'm going to show that you can take like this also. You can call same, like instead of calling here, you can call in the here, you can take like this same functionality, you can call using the different ways, like otherwise you can call like a text, or you can call here like a health check health check like this, you can call here. If you go to the, for my health check API is completed, come here and run the application npm run, go to the with npm run dev, application is started. Okay, my application is running. My see, if we see mongodb connection successful, and db host column is a db host name, this is a db name. This server is running on the port number 7662. My server is running on the port number server 662. If you see, if you go to the .env file, see this port. If you go to my browser and go to hit the local host 7662, see my status code, I got the 200, data is okay, success message is health okay, and success is true. I forgot while writing the in the previous class, I have forgot here writing the this dot success message, this dot success equal to, I'm going to write using the status code. I'm going to leave with a default false. Means this is a error message. We can leave with a false also. Not required true. Not required check the boolean or not. Check this status code is greater than in between the 299 or 299 to 200 or not. Not required. You can directly write the false. Go to the my web browser and once again hit the application. See status is okay 200, and message is health okay, data is okay, success is true. If you want to check this application in the postman also, go to my workspace and create one collection. Here is I'm living with CRUD operation, CRUD nodejs, CRUD nodejs. I'm naming this one is a nodejs one. Okay, in this you can create one folder first for health check. Here in this health check folder, you can take the request. That request is a get request. By default, it is a get request only. Uh, health check. I'm leaving it a health check test. Okay, can leave it. You can want to http ://localhost 7662. My port number is 7662. Hit the send the this. If you want to see this once again, you can, or you can cancel this one also, no problem. If you once again send this, you can, we will get the we got the status code 200, data okay, message health okay, success is true. How browser we got like this, same approach we got in the my postman also. There is other APIs we have used in the, if you remove the, if you go, if you see in this slash test I'll check, we can test that one also, slash test. If you send this, see we got the same output, like endpoint is different, but functionality it is hitting the same functionality, but endpoints may be different. Here health check also you can test it. See, I'm removing these things, and or you can make it as a comment also, not no problem, but each and these three are hitting the same functionality, but this is routes are different, like that this endpoint is different. If you hit this one, see, it will not better because of cannot get the slash help, because of I made this as a comment. I made it as a comment. You can, if you want to hit this, you can use the directly root. See, status code 200 data okay, message is health okay, success is true. Like this, we have performed the health check operations in the in any application. If you take the in a Spring Boot also, if you take the Python also, this health check is mainly useful for application is running or not. That's all, friends. We have completed the health check operations or health writing the health check logic. In the next session, we are going to see the some more functionalities. If you like my content and if you like my explanation, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.